What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Wise to Indian bank account. So you might be wondering how to exactly make a transaction here in Wise and sending to an Indian bank account. Well, this one is actually pretty easy. So first things first is you want to open up your Wise mobile app here and you want to log in into your account. And you want to go ahead and choose the option here that says send. So go ahead and press on it. Now, what we need to do next is we just want to go ahead and choose the correct currency here. So in this case, you want to go and choose a currency first. So you send section. So if you're in the Philippines, go and choose PHP, but the recipient get section should be correctly specified here as well. So since we are sending to India, we want to go and just choose the Indian rupee currency. Now you want to go ahead and just specify the amount that you want to maybe send. So let's just go ahead and choose like 2,000 Philippine peso, and you go and choose the option here for what amount or what you'll be paying with. So you go and click on change on that. You can also specify when the actual transaction is going to arrive as well. Now also make sure that you review the fees here, and once you've done that, let's go and click on add recipient. Now, in the add recipient section, what we need to do is we want to go and choose either option here. So you have the search UPI and Wise here. So you can send via their Wise account, or if you have like a PDF or an image of a bill, invoice, or a screenshot. So in this case, they will do the rest for you if you want. But if you want to enter details, bank details here yourself, you go and click on enter bank details. And you can just choose whichever here. So let's just choose someone else. And from here, just provide their email address, the full name of the account holder here. Make sure it matches their bank account and also their IFSC code and account number. Now, in this case, go and just provide the details. Click on continue. In this case, in the following pages, just complete all necessary details, contact information, verify your identity or your account here. And once you've done that, go and pay for the transaction and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.